Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
My name is Rizky Afiar.
Hi.
Hi, Rizky.
I am happy staying right now.
Alright.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Today I want to show you my talent. Number one, I like English. Number two, I like design. I learn English every day.
Silakan sambil disawer.
Ya, Mama
Praktek
Alfian, ayahnya
speaking and
Alfian,
speaking.
silakan.
Also, I create design. And this is my design.